Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will start exercise 13.2, chapter 13, exponents and powers. Before starting the chapter, again we will recapitulate the laws of exponents. First one, multiplying powers with the same base. Multiplying powers with the same base. Bases are same, powers are different. Multiplying. Then we have to add the power with the same base. So a to the power m plus n. A to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Number 2, dividing powers with the same base. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Taking power of a power, that means it is law number 3. A to the power m whole to the power n. Power will be multiplied. A to the power m into n. 4. Multiplying the powers with the same exponents. Multiplying the powers with the same exponents. Powers are there and we have to multiply them as their exponents are same. So a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. Both the exponents are same, so you have to multiply the bases and powers and exponents are same. Next, dividing the powers with the same base. Dividing the powers with the same exponents. A to the power m divided by b to the power m. Bases are different, powers are same. A by b whole to the power m. The exponents same. Now the last one, numbers with exponents 0. Numbers with exponents 0. A to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any base, if the power or the exponents is 0, then result will be 1. Now we will start the sums from this exercise. Now we will start exercise 13.2, question number 1. Using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answers in exponential form. That means the answer, whatever the answer will come, you have to write the answer in the exponential form only. Sum is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 8. You know that bases are same, powers are different. First we will do this 2, 3 to the power 2 plus 4 into 3 to the power 8. As you know that a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So what you will do, 3 to the power 2 plus 4 6 into 3 to the power 8. Again the same law, 3 to the power 6 plus 8 is equal to 3 to the power 40. And you have to leave the sum in this form because the answer you have to give in exponential form. So power form 3 to the power 14, and this is the answer of this sum. Come to the next sum. Next is 6 to the power 15 divided by 6 to the power 10. Bases are same, division sign. So what you will do, you know that a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So 6 to the power 15 minus 10 equal to 6 to the power 5, and this is the answer because you have to leave the answer in the exponential form. Third one, a to the power 3 into a to the power 2, very clearly bases are same. So 3 plus 2 powers will be added and the result is a to the power 5. Same law, so when you will use this, you will write the laws here. Next, question number 4, 7 to the power x into 7 to the power 2. Bases are same, powers are different, into sign. So powers will be added. You will write the law here. 7 to the power x plus 2. As you don't add here, you are not able to add this because one is variable and one is a number that is constant. So you have to leave the sum here. Next sum is 5 to the power 2 whole to the power 3. Power of power. divided by 5 to the power 3. So part by part, the first part what you will do, 5 to the power 2 into 3, 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. What law you have used here? As a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Next, 5 to the power 6 divided by 5 to the power 3. So bases are same, division sign you will subtract. So result is 5 to the power 3. What law you have used here? A to the power m divided by a to the power n. Result is, so you have to complete the log. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. 6 minus 3, 3. 5 to the power 3 is the answer. Question number 6. 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Here you see bases are different but the powers are same. So what you will do, remember 2 to the power 5, 2 into 5 whole to the power 5, because powers are same, as a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. Then what will be the result? 10 to the power 2 into 5, 10, 10 to the power 5, and this is the answer of this sum. Now in question number 9, 2 to the power 20 divided by 2 to the power 15 inside the bracket into 2 to the power 3. You know that the portion inside the bracket you have to solve first. So 2 to the power, division sign, bases are same, power should be subtracted. 20 minus 15. 2 to the power 20 minus 15 into 2 to the power 3. As you know, a to the power n divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. You are using this law, and 2 to the power 20 minus 15. So 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3. Now bases are same, powers are different, into, so what law you will use now? 2 to the power 5 plus 3 as a to the power m into a to the power n is there. You have to find the value, then m plus n. So the result is 2 to the power 8. Understood? Next sum is question number 10. 8 to the power t divided by 8 to the power 2. Bases are same, powers are different, division sign. 8 to the power t minus 2 as a to the power m divided by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Therefore, this is the answer. Okay, students, the sums are very easy for you. Practice it. Thank you, students.